Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have implemented the basic setup for the Vue.js routing. And when we after implementing the Vue.js routing, we have seen one problem here. What is that problem? So when you are trying to navigate through the pages, the web page is automatically refreshing. So it is refreshing and it is going to that page. So this should not happen to in the single page. So in the single page means the page should not refresh and the component should change automatically. So we need to implement, we got the problem, that issue. So we need to implement that scenario. So in the previous Angular courses, we have used this router link directive concept, right? In the same scenario, in the Vue.js also, we have a router link concept. So how we can implement that one is, so instead of giving this a href physical slash like this, we need to implement something like router hyphen link, okay? And here we need to give the home, okay, home. So router link, it uses the slots concept actually, Vue.js slots concept, and here router link, and between the router link we need to use the home. So the name which you want to get appear. So here we need to give the path, and in the same scenario, what we need to do is here we need to copy this one and we need to do the same thing, post, and here also the same thing, and here I can paste this one and I can do create post. Okay, so here I can do slash post and it has to go here create post. So this is the thing how we will be implementing the router link concept in the router link in the Vue.js. Now if you go and if you refresh this one, so if you refresh this one, okay, we are able to see home post create post. Okay, so if I click here, so without refreshing the page, we are able to move to the other pages, right? But here the design has been broke. So how we can get back the design? So how we can get back the design is, the design why it has got broken is, so we have not implemented the class. So we can implement directly like this. So automatically it will be applied nav hyphen link. And here if you try to see class, here nav hyphen link, nav hyphen link. If you give here, so automatically it will be applied for the anchor link. If you try to see here, see the same previous has been came. Now if you try to see this one, if you try to see here in the create post, how this one is appearing is, so li it is coming actually instead of outer link, it is coming automatically anchor link here. If you are able to see anchor link we are able to see. Now we are in the home page, so for that reason, that is the reason, so here we are able to see router link hyphen active and router link hyphen exact hyphen active. So these are the two extra classes that has been appended to the home page. Why? Because this home page is the active link right now, and nav link is the link what we have added, what we have added in the router link, the class what we have added in the router link, it has been appended. So what is this router link active and router link exact active? So for example, if you want to highlight the home link, so whatever the active link we are having, the current page you are having, if you want to highlight that link, so we need to make use of this router link active and router link exact active. So router link active will give you the link whichever is the whichever whatever the link it is active, and router link exact active is, so when it comes to nested rows, you will be able to see. For example, if I go to the post, so now the post page is something like router link active and router link exact active is there, right? When we go to the deeper, so something like post slash id, if you give the id, then router link active will be there, but router link exact active will be there to the that exact component. Okay, so that is the difference between these two. So now and if you, so this is how we will be making. So now what I will try to do is, so I will try to highlight the link by using some css. So what I can do is, so I can go down here and I can use style. Okay, here I can use scope, and what I will try to do is a dot router hyphen link hyphen active. So now I can give background something like hash bbb. Okay, so something like this I can give. So now if I go here, see whatever the link is active, we are able to see the color. So in this way we can style the active link using the router link active, the classes that has been appended by using the router link. For example, you don't like those classes, the classes that are going to be appended is the Vue.js default one, router link active and router link exact active. If you want to change those default classes, you can also change those default classes also. How we can change those classes? So we need to go to the main.js, okay, where we have created the router. here in the history and routes, we can have option something like link active class. What is the active class you need? So you can write here the active, and also you'll be having the link active exact class also. So exact router link hyphen exact hyphen active class is there, right? So that one also we can replace. So we can also maintain this one. So now if I maintain this one, so what will be there? So now here I will be not able to see the post here. See, create post. So here if you try to see, here active is there instead of the router link hyphen active. Router hyphen link hyphen active, instead of displaying that class name, it is displaying the active. So now what I need to do, I need to change this router hyphen link hyphen active to active. So in this way we can give our own custom active link classes also. Okay, so now we can do like this. Okay, so this is the scenario how we can make use of this router links in the Vue.js. Okay, and also the router link active and the router link exact active, the uses of this one, how to style the active classes like this. Okay, if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.